What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to explain to you what is the best way to make money online in 2019 as a beginner. Now, if you're like most people, like I was back in 2006, I did something that most people are still doing to this day, and you need to stop. It's called bouncing around. And this is what a lot of people do. They jump from one online business to the next, to the next, to the next, and then they come back and say, it doesn't work. There's no way anyone's making money online. I can tell you from proven experience, not only from myself, but from other people I've coached and talked to, a lot of people are making money. Now, what you need to understand is Amazon was not always a success. Amazon started out and they struggled. Same thing when it comes to Instagram. Instagram was not a success when they first launched. Instagram actually failed, had to reinvent themselves and get back on, and finally they took off. Same thing when it came to Uber. Uber was not a complete success when they started. A lot of people shot them down because their idea of being a car rental service or car, whatever they are, delivery person, whatever they call themselves, I don't know. But a lot of people shot them down. You got to understand, the best businesses in the world were once a failure. It's how you get through those that's going to make you a success. And it's because of that, I highly recommend you stick to your plan. It may not take only 7 days to have this $1 million business. It may take months or even years, but if you stick to your plan, you will be more successful. So what I want to show you today is the best way to make money online. I'm going to walk you through it step by step and show you how you can get started. So here we go. What are the steps to make money online? It's actually pretty simple. I've talked about this before. I actually do it myself and it works very well. It's highly effective. What you do is you educate people. What I mean by educate people is you educate them either on YouTube or on Facebook, and you show them a way to do something. What I call problem solving. You give somebody a reason to come back to you. You're solving their problem, and they could be on a bunch of different things. For example, do you know this answer? Okay, you can answer down below, or I'm going to tell you the answer in just a second. But what is the most common online coach? The most common online service? It's actually geared towards people that are trying to lose weight. It's an online coach, an online fitness coach. You see them all over the place over on Instagram. You see them a little bit on YouTube. You see them on Facebook. They're pretty much everywhere. Now, an online fitness coach is teaching somebody how to lose weight. They're educating them on the problem of weight gain, okay? Or they can't lose weight. They can't gain muscle. There's something that they're struggling with. So these people come in and offer a service. They educate them on how to lose weight. And by doing that, they're creating a loyal following, which in my opinion is very, very important, especially here on YouTube or on Facebook, even on Instagram. If you don't have a loyal following, people are not going to come back and watch your other videos, read your other posts, look at your other Instagram picture that you just posted. They're not going to like it. They're not going to share it. They will not buy whatever it is you're recommending. So you need to have a loyal following. With a loyal following will come an income. The income does not come before that, and you have to keep that in mind. Third thing, after you've educated people on how to lose weight, how to solve their consumer debt problem, how to teach them how to make money online, which in my opinion is a very difficult niche to get into, I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend teaching somebody how to cook a healthy meal for under 10 bucks. That would be a good thing to actually promote. You could promote a cookbook. You could promote a different affiliate products such as the different Tupperware that you use to house or to contain everything. You could use different cookbooks. You can use different cooking utensils. There's a lot you can promote. As an affiliate, you do not need a product or a course or anything like that. Okay, you can promote other people's stuff, and you make money by doing it. Okay, and that's one of the things I recommend is once you educate people and then you get them as a loyal follower, they trust you, they trust what you're saying. You're not just selling a bunch of crap. You're selling them something that they could use or benefit from. And then you offer products that have helped you along the way. If they've helped you, they will probably help them as well. Step number 4, create services that benefit your audience. Now, I did this and I continue to do this all the time is I create little mini guides. I do online coaching. I create other things as well, video courses, stuff like that. Sometimes I will create a physical product and I'll sell it to people to help them with whatever the problem is. In most cases, it's either on fitness, making money online, cooking, a little bit with dieting, stuff like that. Some things with finances and business, but I create a product or service or something that I can sell to that loyal follower. Okay? Remember, they have to be loyal. And you got to start with step number 1. If they are not becoming educated on the subject matter, they're probably not going to be a loyal follower. They are not going to listen to whatever you have to say because you're promoting this product. They will not buy your service because they're not educated enough on that topic to need it yet. Okay? I'm not saying people are dumb. I'm saying that they're not educated enough yet to need whatever service you're providing. And so that's completely fine. They'll get there. Just keep educating them because that is the key to actually making money online. People are not just going to buy from you because you put a link and you offer a product. They're going to buy from you because you offer the best advice. You give them something that they can actually use and they can trust you. Number 5, always under-promise and over-deliver. If you do this, it will be an easy sale. Okay? What I mean by this is don't over-promise and say this is going to get you to the moon when all you're doing is selling a stepladder. It's only going to get you 5 feet. Okay? Don't do that. You got to under-promise and over-deliver. Sell them the stepladder that really shoots them to the moon. Okay? That will be an easy sale. Number 6, listen to what your audience needs. This is important. When you are doing anything online and you're trying to educate people and build them into that loyal following that you need, that you want, that you desire, one thing that you have to do is listen to them. If you're trying to teach them how to make money online, for example, or let's just use the weight loss niche. If you're trying to teach them how to lose weight and 50% of the people come back to you and say, I don't want to lose weight, I want to gain muscle. And you just keep posting video after video and post after post and offering these different services to help teach them how to lose weight, you are alienating 50% of those people because they want to learn how to gain muscle, not lose weight. So listen to those people, offer a product that will help them that you've obviously used, offer a service that you provide or somebody else provides. Maybe you make money, maybe you don't. The whole point is you're helping them. The more you help them, the more it's going to come back and you make even more money. So that is key. Help people out, but listen to what they have to say. If you don't listen, you really have no clue what it is they need, and so how are you supposed to help them out in any way? Step number 7, the last step, obviously the easiest one, is repeat, repeat, repeat. Now, I want to show you something. Now, and this you don't have to buy it. You don't even have to go look at it. But down in the description box below, I'm going to put a link to something called Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. It's a $7 mini course I put together a while back, and I've sold it, thousands of times. A bunch of people have gone through it. Again, it's a mini course. Teaches people how to create a passive income pretty much on YouTube or Facebook or other social media sites, but it's by creating simple guides. Very simple guides that you sell for $1, $5, maybe up to $27. Very simple guide that will help people out, get them to where they need to go. So here it is. This is what you're going to land on. Page looks like this. Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. You can come and read it, okay? It shows you some of the stuff students made, I've made, okay? That's really it. The reason why I'm even showing you that is because, number 1, that's one of the easiest ways to make money online. And in my opinion, one of the best ways to make money online is to educate somebody through the process. And in the end, you sell them on a service that can really help them out. Now, I want to be completely honest with you. I've been completely honest with, in all my videos. But you don't need this course, okay? You really don't. It's a $7 mini course. It will help you get there, okay? You can find the exact same stuff online. You can find the exact same stuff here on YouTube. It's just going to take you, 3, 4, 5 hours to get all that information. So, is it worth 3, 4, 5 hours, rather than paying $7? I don't know. It's really up to you, okay? But that's the benefit of taking the course, is it cuts down all that time and condenses it, and it gives you that freedom to actually put those steps into action. Okay, so do you need the course? No. Do you need any course? No, you really don't. You can spend all that time online, learn from trial and error. It costs you money and costs you time, obviously, but you don't need it. You don't need a course, okay? Just want to be honest with you. But that's, again, bringing me back to the whole best way to make money online in 2019. Educate people, create a loyal following, because if you have that loyal following, people will eventually buy the products you're recommending, whether it's an affiliate product or it's a service like Passive Income for Entrepreneurs I just showed you. Do I expect 100 people to go and buy Passive Income through Entrepreneurs, that little mini course from this video? No, I don't. Okay, but what I do expect is if you need help, there's something there for you. So you're not going to come to me and say, hey, I could really use a course on how to educate people through YouTube. What kind of services or courses could I recommend? What are some of the platforms I can sell it on? Well, you don't have to come to me because I already have that. It's called Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. People have asked me for it before, so I delivered. I underpromise and I overdeliver in the course. It's a $7 mini course. You could probably sell them for $50. I don't sell it for that because it's stuff that is easy to understand, easy to follow, and it's, again, all information. I just put it all together. Okay? So, if you guys have questions on Passive Income for Entrepreneurs, you can always ask down in the comment section below. But seriously, the best way to make money online in 2018 as a beginner, as a broke individual, or a very, very novice individual, is to educate people on some type of problem, whether it's weight loss, they're financially stuck, they have a bunch of debt, they want to buy a house but they don't know where to start, they want to pay off their student loans, but how do they do it? They want a second job, but how do they get there? All these are problems people have, and you can help solve them. And when you do, you can either make money as an affiliate or you can sell your own products. And again, both of those things are things I recommend. So if you guys have any questions on what is the best way to make money online in 2019 as a beginner, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be doing a lot more videos here in 2019 about just different ways to make money online, because I know that's what you're looking for. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.